Son of God.
Who is Jesus Christ?
A guy. He had some pretty good moral views.
Well, he was a historical figure. Some people believe he was raised from the dead about 2,000 years ago.
He's that guy from the Bible, right?
Well, he was a Jew who was crucified by the Romans.
Have you ever considered electing Jesus into your life?
I'm sorry, what?
I'm not really sure why I would need to do that.
I challenge you to dig deeper.
I will follow.
I am the way, the truth, and the life.